This will be our fourth video on lesson 11, the for loop. In this one we better go ahead and take a look at looping through strings. We've done programs like this before where you ask the user for a 5-letter word and then we want to print the letters maybe one per line. So you would use probably 5 different substring calls, and the 5-letter word would have positions 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 0, 1 gives you the first letter, 1, 2 gives you the second, 2, 3 gives you the third, position 3, and then position 4, and that's fine. We can ask for a 5-letter word and display each letter on separate lines. So put in hello, and there's H through O on the screen. But it's nice to be able to ask for a word and not specify how long the word is and have our program work. So we can take away all these substring calls but one and put that into for loop. When you loop through a string, we'll just loop from left to right from position 0. So int, I'll say POS this time, not I as usual. POS I'll make stand for position of our string. So position 0. Now the last position of a string is always length minus 1. So cat has length 3, C-A-T, length 3, and the T is in position 2. Hello is length 5, and the last O, the O is in position 4. And then we'll just go through it, increment for each position, and we'll just go from when POS is 0, we want to do 0, 1. When POS is 1, we'll do 1, 2. How do we do that? Well, with a little bit of algebra here. POS to POS plus 1. And that'll do it for us. We don't need to have braces here because there's only one statement inside the for loop. So if I did this right, compile it, and run it. Let's see, it's hello, and there it is. Hello on the screen. Now, if you want to go backwards, if you want to display hello backwards or any word backwards, then we would start at the last position, w.length minus 1. We would go down, decrement to the first position, which is of course always 0. And don't forget to make your plus plus into a minus minus, and that will do the job. Let's try it. And let's go cat, TAC, that's cat backwards. Looks lovely. Try and type hello the right way this time, and there it is. Okay, so that's called traversing a string with a for loop. Traversing or going through, like the transversal in a geometry class, to go through 2 parallel lines. Traversing a string.